When people ask me, what can I expect from the Tools for Life Leaders Training? You know, there are many aspects to it that are around developing your own workshop and how to teach people how to develop their own workshop. And this is something that really interests people. How can I, design, create, and bring it out into the world? That's one aspect. And then there's other aspects, of course, in how do I even begin? How do I work with other people? Yeah? How do I start that movement towards, working with another? And, this for me is the most creative process, because we look at the language we use in leading. We look at, both the verbal language and the body language. We will look at certain tools that help people to really hold a field, to hold a group of people. The tools that we learn here is really how we interact with another. And we learn how to lead a group of people, how to work with the group dynamics, how to work with people individually in the group dynamics, how to hold the overall pace and the rhythm, as well as setting a tone and what the overall experience you want the participant to have when they leave. You want them to leave feeling like this expanded space. You want them to feel like, a very deep, profound place. So you want them to feel leaving motivated, that I have what it takes. Or you want them to feel leaving, I want to go out and do something good for the world. So we look at so many aspects, how you are developing as a leader, facilitating a space, and what it is you want to create and bring to the world. And I'm very excited about this Tools for Life Leaders Training.